Students, in the previous video, we have learned the meaning of delegation, which means downward transfer of authority between two persons, that is superior and subordinates. Today we are going to complete with the topic significance or importance of delegation. Now the first significance is reduces workload of manager. Now suppose if manager is delegating some of his tasks to that of the subordinate, it will definitely going to reduce the burden of manager, and this is how it reduces the workload of managers. Second one, effective management. Now if as a manager, if I am delegating some of my tasks to my subordinates, at that time it will lead to that of effective management of tasks. थोड़ा मैंने उसे दे दिया, वो कंप्लीट करके देगा, थोड़ा मैं खुद करूंगी, but it will lead to that of the proper management of the work. Coming to the third one, motivation of employees. When I am delegating my work to my subordinate, at that time he will going to be motivated. मेरे बॉस ने इस काम के लायक मुझे समझा, इसीलिए काम करने के लिए मुझे दिया. It will give a sense of motivation to the subordinates. Next one, employees development. By the time whatever work I was doing, I have delegated that work to my subordinate. Now he will also apply his mind in for doing that particular task, which will ultimately enhances his creativity, imagination, thinking power, vision, which will ultimately lead to that of the employee's development. Coming to the fifth one, organizational growth. When I am delegating my some of the tasks to that of my subordinates, at that time I am training them and preparing them to become future managers, which will lead to that of the organizational growth. Suppose I am just opening my new venture, at that time those trained managers can occupy a higher position in that new venture. Coming to the next one, quick decision making. See, two of the major roles which are being played by superiors is that first one is planning or decision making, and second was monitoring. Okay, now when some of the least important plans are being given to that of the subordinates and major important plans remains with that of superiors, it leads to that of the quick decision making in any of the matter. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, होता है ना अपन कभी कभी बोलते हैं सबऑर्डिनेट्स को, तुम ये छोटे मोटे काम देख लेना, बाकी सब मैं देख लूंगा, तो काम जल्दी निपट जाता है. दिस रिजल्ट्स इन दैट ऑफ क्विक डिसीजन मेकिंग. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, बेसिस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट हायरार्की. मैं एज अ मैनेजर अपना काम नीचे वाले इंसान को देती हूँ. नीचे वाला इंसान gives the work to that of the another subordinate. This is how levels are being created. Okay, this is a sales person. Okay, above that is a marketing manager. Above that is a managing director. This is how the levels are being created with the help of delegating the work. Okay, the manner again. William sir delegates work to that of the teacher. Teacher delegates the work to that of the student. Now we can see the level. On the top of the level, William sirs come. Again in the second level, teacher come, and on the third level, students come. This is how management levels or hierarchies can be created with the help of delegation. And the last one, when we are delegating some of the tasks to our subordinates, there is a clarity in the work, reporting relationship, from whom he has to take orders and to whom it is to have to report. This will result in that of the better coordination of work. There we have completed with all the significance of delegation, and in the next video we are going to just complete with our next topic. Thank you.